सर, गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचं एक प्रोफेसरांनी लीक केलं क्वेश्चन पेपर.
Now see, this is a very serious issue. आमचे NSUचे भुरगे went to the police station and they have filed a complaint regarding this. आज, if you look, whenever we have pointed out that in the Goa University there are irregularities happening, खास करून जे गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचे जे रँकिंग आहा, आता this ranking has slipped through. Goa University ranking was always around 85. Today the Goa University ranking has gone to between 100 and 150. This is bad for our state. आम्ही जेन्ना एड्युकेशन डिमांड्साचे हो इश्यू काढा, स्पेशली चड जा थिंगा केरला लॉबी जालो. हे रिक्रुटींग रुल्स चेंज करून एंगेले हे सगळे too many people from Kerala, one particular place, recruiting rules have been relaxed, teachers have been taken. It is shocking today to see that after so many years of the existence of Goa University, आमचे गोंयकार टीचर क्वालिफाय जायना काय कितें. And today it is shocking that it is believed that this is done on the कोण मोठ्या गर्लफ्रेंडा लागून केलो, कोण मोठ्या बॉयफ्रेंडा लागून हात कितें चलता, कितें जाता तें कांय कोणा. आणि हे गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचे म्हाका दिसता जे इट इज हॅपनिंग सेकंड टाइम दिस पेपर हॅज बीन लीक्ड. सो वेर our NSUI had gone complaint, did a police complaint, and there has to be strict action, and the chief minister has to come clear on how he plans to go about this thing. Goa University is a separate entity by itself, but if a certain lobby is controlling it, what is the future and outcome of the children? We are on one side, you see government bringing private universities. Oita tinga Ganpat University, Anikon Parul University, Anikon Amity University. Real estate लागून हे सगळे युनिव्हर्सिटी गोंयांत येताय आणि युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या नावान चोड्या कोंतान लँड सेल जाता. लँड सेल जावन आज इफ यू लुक, it is nothing but this real estate agents coming to Goa. It's sorry that even in the education department now you see real estate agents. And this particular issue that Magadista, this is something that has to be looked very, very seriously. I believe that the governor should also intervene, he being the chancellor. And it is basically not in the interest of the state. And we have to look at proactive measures to take to make sure Goa University comes back to the ranking that it had within the first 100 universities in the country.
The professor has been suspended for immediate from today. Do you think any outcome will come from it?
See, suspension have been placed in the past as well. I believe they say some are believed to say this is the second time this thing has been happening. This is the second time it has been happening. So if one paper is leaked, how do you know that the other papers are not leaked? What is the secrecy left? Today, if papers are leaked and someone says there are no CCTV cameras, it is shocking to see all these things. I don't expect anything from this government. There will be a cover-up. 100% will be anything. Only once we see that the Goa University ranking is improved within the first 100, we see that the education is flourishing in the state. Otherwise, things are going from bad to worse.
How sad it is when the paper has been leaked like that, and who the student is studying.
No, definitely it is a sad, sorry state of affairs. But that is how the state issues are being plaguing. It is a sorry state of affairs not only in the education department, for overall for the students, the way the NEP is planned, the way they are forcing for school to start during the heat. आज या गोरमेन बायला उबरावपा तरी जाता. या म्हयन्यान 37-38 degrees of heat, no infrastructure, nothing. No sanitation, no proper fans, no proper desk, no proper smart boards, and this government just in the name, just to show that number one, Goa में number one हुआ करके ये दिखाने का प्रयत्न हो रहा है. ये this is to show in the center that everything is been implemented. NEP number one, हर घर जल number one. जात कितें गोंयान जात कितें. So it's a very sorry state of affairs.
तुम्ही गव्हर्नराक बीन मेळटले सर वचून.
No, we will definitely see. Today they have suspended him. Let us see what is the outcome, what exactly happened, and based on that we will take a call.